welcome back to a new in-detail video on our Porsche 992 Carrera system. In our last video we detailed the system quickly with drive-by shots and as much info as we could throw at you in 3 minutes, but you Porsche owners wanted to geek out on the tech specs, so here we go with a longer video where we're going to go through everything on this system. So grab yourself a coffee, sit down, we're going to get nerdy on this. Now this is an OPF or GPF back, depending on where you are in the world, exhaust. This will also fit US spec and export spec cars without the GPFs. The GPFs occur after the catalysts but before the system, so whilst they sound quite different, they're theoretically the same. This car is a European or UK spec GPF car, so you've got the catalysts here, you've got the GPF filters here, and then the exhaust starts. Now for customers wanting the optimum sound but without voiding warranty or having any emissions or MOT implications, this is the perfect system for you. Similarly, this exhaust carries over Porsche's latest 5-pin SBS valve protocol as found here on this system. The Quicksilver has a perfect clone, which you'll see here. So the valves can be actuated using the car's sport button the way Porsche intended. So we've kept the system dimensions fairly similar. You have to conform to these upstream cat and GPF sections. So we've got 76mm in, 76mm out with a 76mm valve. We've also used a titanium resonator here. Now this picks up on the higher end transients. It'll pick out those little pops and gurgles on the overrun and accentuate the high end. At the same time, stainless steel provides that lower mid punch and malleability which is advantageous for longevity in the exhaust's construction. You'll note our box is substantially smaller and this system is technically unsilenced. Inside of this box you've got an X pipe here, so with the valve open you've got unsilenced pipe in the path of best flow. I can tell you that without touching the catalysts or GPFs, and we will have GPF delete pipes and sports cats available soon, this is the loudest you can get it whilst keeping it emissions friendly. For those wanting increased sound or perhaps looking for a little bit more performance, see the next video for our optional downpipes which will be coming soon. One of the next common questions we get asked is, my car has the PSE with the oval tailpipes or it has the non-PSE with the quad tailpipes. Will it fit? The answer is the same system fits both. Whilst the outlets look different, the same exhaust blows through behind them. They're integral to the bumper. So whether you have the quad tips or whether you have the oval tips, whether you've got a 4S, a Cabriolet, a 2S, it's all the same fitment. In fact, indeed, it was the same exhaust from Porsche. Even if you tick that sport button, you just get a little bit more pipes noise inside and a slightly different programming on the valve. So when you spec a Quicksilver, you're really getting that increase in sound.